I have a few things I gotta deliver.
Something I can assist with?
Wait, can I transmog? Oh, I can't transmog my legs. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, this kind of looks cool. For 100 gold, I might do it. What do you think? Should we go with this fit? Or nah? I think this one looks yeah, this one looks better. If only I can wear pants. Oh, everything else gives me spirit. Oh wait, this gives me... Would I want this one? This one gives me a bit of armor and 1 extra point of power. I could do this one. It'll weigh a little bit more. I do not want to get rid of my hat though. My hat's pretty good. Yeah, no, my hat's pretty good. Ooh, the pants. Pants weigh more. But it does give me power. It would be a direct upgrade. Ooh, 15% movement speed. I mean, that'd be good for moving around, but... I think I might actually make this. And pants. Technically they are good, but it's gonna weigh too much. Just ever so slightly.